Hello, we are Javier Aznar, Roberto Muñoz, Arismendi Castillo, and Alejandro Martín Sonseca, and today we are going to talk about Google I/O, Google Input Output. Google I/O 2016 brings together developers for an immersive 3-day experience focused on exploring the next generation of technology. So at first, I'm going to talk about Google Assistant. Google Assistant is a new version of Google Now. Google Now is an app that helps you on everything. You can talk with it and ask questions. For example, take a selfie or how to go to any place. It's going to be the competence for Siri and Cortana, Apple and Windows. And it's going to have lots of new features. For example, a car mode to use the whole phone with voice and lots more. Also, it's going to improve all features, like when you ask how to go to anywhere or make a research on the internet.
Now I'm going to talk about Google Home. Google Home is the central hub for connecting Google Assistant with your connected home, smart devices, and more. Google Home is a direct competitor to the Amazon Echo and will be available later this year. Google Home also supports streaming and casting and includes a speaker for verbal responses to questions. The best, and perhaps the creepiest, part of Google Home is that it will slowly come to learn your habits and preferences and provide more personal responses as time goes by.
Okay, message sent.
Morning.
Morning. Hey Google, turn the lights on in Kevin's room.
I'm going to talk about Google Allo. Google Allo will be a sign app that uses your phone number to keep in touch with your friends, a service similar to WhatsApp and Line. Allo has two main aspects, which are self-expression, Google Assistant, and security and privacy. Starting with self-expression, Google Allo has stickers and emojis, like its competitors, but the app has a feature called Whisper Chat which lets you recite text. In other words, to amplify and minimize the text by dragging up and down the screen. You will also be able to draw on images with a feature called Ink. Allo also has smart replies. For example, if someone invites you to dinner, you will be offered 2 lines of text that will let you accept or refuse the invite. This also will work with pictures. Moving to Assistant, Google built the virtual assistant right into Allo. Continuing the dinner example, you will be able to use Allo to reserve a restaurant together with your friend. All the booking will happen right in the app. You can also chat with the Google Assistant. You can ask it to find pics for you, or to look for information, or even to give you a game for playing. And you can bring Google Assistant into your chats with your friends. Finally, Allo features an incognito mode. In this mode, you will get encrypted messages, private notifications, and sparing chats too. Once you close it, your private chats are gone forever. Google has introduced Duo, which was considered as the video companion of Allo. Duo lets you initialize fast video calls. Allo and Duo are coming later this summer on Android and iOS.
Virtual reality. Daydream VR is Google's vision of an affordable mobile virtual reality platform. Previously rumored under the name Android VR, Daydream VR will not only provide an Android home base for mobile VR apps, it also has a reference design for a headset and controller and minimum spec list of Daydream-ready devices. Samsung, LG, HTC, Huawei, Asus, and Alcatel are already on board. Android N will feature an VR mode for putting chipsets into performance mode, add head tracking algorithms, support sub-20 milliseconds latency on mobile devices, and render incoming messages and calls in 3D to appear in stereo in the HUD. On the software front, Daydream provides a standard VR interface for mobile and adds an VR category to the Play Store. The first Daydream-ready devices will arrive later this year.